Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 18 May 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction lunchtime prediction first number 8, number 11, number 21, number 38, number 43 booster number 3 UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 15, number 20, number 9, number 32, number 46, booster number 27. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe.